Hey guys, hi here. Today we're doing a taste test video on some items that we got from Asda. And so I'm going to show you what we got. So we got these jelly beans, two colas. We've never had them before, I don't know why. Some delicious Marmite, not really. It's gum stick, and we've never tried any of these things, so these, I've never tried them, so is Tyler. Burrito Russian roulette, I've never had them. My friends told me that they're horrible.
Hello.
Smarties chocolate bar. And then we've got a bag behind the camera so we can puke in. And Tyler's going to start filming, so let's go. So Tyler's just trying to set up his camera, but I'm just going to start opening some of these.
Can I have something strong to put behind it?
Yeah. That wasn't part of the taste test, I was just trying to taste them on my...
Yo guys, it's Tyler here.
Yeah, he started now.
Yo guys, it's Tyler here. We're with Harvey.
Alright.
We're doing a taste test. We've got Marmite, 2 cans of Coca-Cola, drumstick, gum stick I mean. We've got chocolate, Smartie chocolate. We have squish these drumsticks, what we call.
These jelly beans. He's starting his video now.
Never tried any of these.
I'm recording as well on my camera.
So
check out Harvey's channel 123 if you want to check out Marba's camera thing. So yeah, so Tyler's recording. Go and check out the gaming goalkeeper Glen. It's his channel. He's recording there.
If I keep looking down, I'm just looking at Harvey's.
Yeah.
Pets.
But and if I keep looking up, I'm looking at Tyler's.
Okay. Can we go for the Marmite?
No, we'll do that last. Alright. There you go.
Holly.
You choose.
We'll go. Shut up. Yep, we'll go for the
Sorry,
drumstick.
remember guinea pigs. Yeah, so you open them.
Guinea pigs.
No,
No, they're not yours.
hey, come on, put it in.
Have you got one?
Oh, yeah, right. So all it is, just one of them. That's all it is. I've never had these before.
Give me some now. No, you can go. Get off. Go away.
They're nice.
Exactly.
Supposed to be sour.
They're not really.
Not even sour.
So we're not going to eat all of them.
Oh yeah, mega sour. Mega. I've never tried, so I don't know. Literally, I've never had them.
My friend told me they are sour.
Oh yeah, no. I tried these in my taste test part 1 video. So I have tried them, but that's been like, that was like last year, but I
They're
uploaded
not
it.
yours. Exactly. You scared.
What's this glass?
So once we've tried,
I'll choose next.
Once we've tried these, we're going to put them to the side.
Yeah. We'll do the cook, we'll call it last, then we'll do that second last. I'll choose. I know you're running that.
Sure, first.
Oh yeah, Smarties chocolate bar. Smarties chocolate bar. Ow. Oh, it's already cracked. There's a bit. Thanks, I'll leave that there. And I've got a bit.
Smarties. Wait, am I eating? Nice.
What else is that? And I'd never know why I didn't try that before.
There we go.
Your turn. You can choose anyone.
Go for the gum stick.
So mine as well.
Yeah. No way. We're going to split this in half. For you guys, we have to eat all of the half we've got.
Alright. Well, we'll put the gum stick back in the box and we'll throw it.
Yeah, if I can open it. Thingy that your brother was there. Haha, you scared me. You're not really scared me, but you're not used to me. Yeah, if you hear them squeaking, it's them. I'm sleeping over it is tonight.
Yeah, he's sleeping over.
So they're
Another video coming tonight.
Every time we move, right? Don't they squeak?
That's pretty much. You can have. I'll have the most. Oh. Ugh. Every time you spit it out, that's a life gone. Or should we not do lives?
How many? Got 1, 2. What 7?
Oh, we should have done that one last. It's chewing gum.
Oh, I forgot that.
I did as well. Right, I'm gonna just put a little dent in mine.
Why?
A little cross, so I know which one's mine. So I just put a little cross in mine.
You have to eat it all.
A little cross.
What are they doing?
I don't know.
Imagine if they ran in at the same time. Clunk. Oh, look at them.
I thought of it. I like about that much more.
Maybe a bit less.
Maybe a bit less, like about that much. Yeah, about that much. Not a lot, but oh well.
Give us a bag, because it's still in it. It doesn't count as losing the life.
Actually, what? Should we not do that?
Nah.
I got a bigger bit as well.
The other.
That can go on in there as well. My turn. I'll go. Actually, I'll go for the Doritos. So, I'll open them. So, it is Dorito Russian Roulette. So, it says, some of these chips are ultra spicy. Some of them are like cheese flavour, some of them are like natural cheese, some of them are like really hot. But they're like, that's all it is. That's all it is, just a little chip or crisp.
The hottest one's at the bottom, I think.
Oh, I got a hot one.
I got a cheesy one. Cheesy.
I go to the bottom to get a hot one.
Cheesy. Get a hot one. Again.
Yeah, nice. The hot ones are nice. So my little brother. You go.
Marmite.
Start with that.
We're going Marmite.
Marmite. Get your teaspoon.
Not too much. Yes.
This is mine. Ah, it's on my hand.
I've never tried it.
That's this. I'm taking a lot off.
Whoa, not having it.
Yeah, you can have that bit. There, that's all it is. That big double. I'm gonna eat mine now. You can get a little bit if you want. I'm getting. 3, 2, 1. Can I not taste the Coke?
Yeah.
No, don't, because I need a drink.
What?
Won't taste this.
That's what I'm saying.
Don't.
Have it.
Now.
Yes. God, that's disgusting. I'm not joking. Never have it, guys. If you like it.
If you don't like it, you're insane. Oh my god, I'm cleaning my cup because I've got Marmite all over it. And I just got Coke all on my t-shirt. That tastes disgusting.
No.
That's disgusting. That is disgusting. disgusting.
Last thing is jelly beans.
Oh yeah,
Different flavours.
I'll put that over there. That's gone straight to my dad.
Is it?
Yeah,
Does he like it?
yeah, but he's just chased me around the house, man.
Hey, you told me. Okay, you open it.
How come I can open it? 1 minute.
No, because my hands are thingy.
Right, pick a colour. Blindfold. Right, I don't know what it is.
I got green.
I got a white one.
I don't know what that is.
Wait, what colour is this?
Colour.
I think it's coconut. Caribbean coconut. Another one. I can't see.
Yeah, I'm not really bothered.
Oh, exactly the same.
Coconut.
Caribbean coconut. I'm gonna do another one.
Oh no, I've got a brown one.
Oh no. Baby blue.
Mint.
Oh yeah, it's mint. That is mint. Give me Coke.
It's not. Try that. I don't know which one it is actually.
It was a brown one, by the way.
Exactly. Pinks.
Pinks.
Look at that.
I'll get a pink one.
Pink again.
Pink's nice. Oh, look at that rare one. Look how tiny that is.
Have a look. Look at that. Put a little lump on it.
Wait, no one's eating that. It's this one. Wow. This one. This one.
This one. I've tasted these before, but
That is South Seas kiwi.
I don't
Well,
know.
I'm gonna get. It was a purpley colour.
Is that it? Are we done?
No, yep. So guys, if you like this video, please share with your friends. Please like, please comment. I'll upload daily, pretty much every single day. I try to at least. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.